we have Lalita with a question for Ms. Bhavani Devi.
Afternoon all. I am Lalita and I would like to pose my question to Bhavani Devi ma'am. So ma'am, a lot of people are not aware of fencing as a sport. So what steps can be taken so that more people take up the sport?
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Lalita. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much, Sunshine School, for organizing such a good event for us. And it is very important for us to get such support from all kind of people. Thank you very much. I'm so glad to be part of it. So, like all the athletes said, I started fencing from my school. So I did heard about fencing before I joined the sport. So I think the best way to promote sport is to start from all school levels. So that's how I started, and my school still has fencing. But many school did not continue to develop the sport. But I hope Sunshine School and many schools will take up fencing in their sports activities, and will have more champions from the all school levels.
Ma'am,
Thank
that
you.
was really thought provoking. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Samyukta posing a question to Ms. Bhavani Devi.
Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Samyukta, and I'd like to shoot my question to Bhavani Devi, ma'am. In our society, being a girl with immense passion towards sports, there would have been many challenges. How did you overcome these challenges, ma'am?
Yeah, thank you for the question. So yes, it was very true that I had to face a lot of challenges, also for being a woman in sport. But I was lucky to have very supportive and encouraging parents, especially my mother. So especially to continue a sport like fencing, to build a career in fencing, it was not easy at all. It was a very tough journey because we did not have any champions or any Olympic champions in fencing, any historical achievements in the sport in our country. But when I decided to pursue for my Olympic dream, my parents always supported me. They never said why you're trying to do this sport when no one else is doing. But many other people other than my family told me this thing like, why you're wasting your time? Fencing is not easy for us. It is not a good sport for women. But I always say that I get the strongest support from my family, and also I had strong belief in myself, and I have a clear vision. I just wanted to try my best. I kept trying, and I always try to do my best, and my parents also tried to give their best support. And with all of that, I was able to achieve my dream. So now I'm here to represent India at the Olympic Games.
That was very motivating, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Karthik, again with a question for Ms. Bhavani Devi.
My question is to you, Bhavani Devi, ma'am. Fencing is indeed an expensive sport. So you'd have faced a lot of financial challenges during different points of your career. How did you overcome them and what kept you going?
Yeah. Thank you for the question. Yes, it was very difficult at the beginning to arrange financial support for myself, from equipments to traveling. But I always wanted to try my best. I wanted to do my 100% best effort to try to reach my dream, which is to represent India at the Olympic Games and win medal for our country. So I told my parents the same thing, that I wanted to try. I wanted to do my best effort. So whatever you can support me, whatever I can do from my side, we can try to do it. And whether the result comes positive or negative, I don't mind. For me, the effort that I am giving from my side has to be 100%, so that in the future I will not regret about it. So that's what my parents also believed. Okay, don't worry, whether whenever I win or lose, they always said, don't worry, we try again, next time you will do better. So I think uh, I have a clear goal. So I don't have any other reason to quit this sport or to stop trying for it. So we tried different ways to arrange funds, from getting sponsorship or trying a scholarship program from the government. But later, few years after, the government also started to support fencing. So we were included in the LX scholarship program from the Tamil Nadu government, and then private organizations also started to support fencer. So they for the first private organization was Go Sports Foundation, which selected a athlete from fencing for the first time ever. So, and then we got to get support from the Ministry of Sports. So now fencing is going very well, and I hope we will not, I mean, no athlete will face financial problem in the future.
That's insightful, Mom. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us that wonderful ideas and the ways that people should overcome the financial problems for doing with the sports, taking up the sports.